Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5 to the power of 101 minus 5 to the power of 100. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? And the same thing can be written vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let's say we have 4 to the power of 3, right? And this means this can be written as 4 squared times 4 to the power of 1. Because when you multiply these two, the exponents add up, and 2 plus 1 adds up to 3. So now what I'm going to do to 5 to the power of 101 is I'm going to rewrite it as 5 to the power of 100 times 5. And 5 is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1. And 100 plus 1 is 101. So now we are going to subtract this with 5 to the power of 100. And now that both of these terms have 5 to the power of 100 in them, I'm going to factor out 5 to the power of 100. So now we have 5 to the power of 100 times, now 5 to the power of 100 times 5 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is simply just 5, minus 5 to the power of 100 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is 1. So we have 5 to the power of 100 times 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is simply 4. So now we have 4 times 5 to the power of 100. And this is going to be our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 5 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, I'm going to change the 100 to 10 squared. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, this is going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is simply 10, so this would equal 10 to the power of 10. And also, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, because this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n, we could reverse these two, meaning this would also equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in this case, I'm going to switch the places of x to the power of 5 and 5. So now we would have x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 10. And if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b. This means that a is equal to b. So in this case, x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, meaning x is equal to the fifth root of 10. So this is our answer.